Kim wants to put an electric fan on this dart of hers out in front of the radiator, so she made these mounts. Got these aluminum brackets she made, and they got these steel bars, tubes, whatever they are. And I'm going to pop rivet them on there. And then put a cleco in there to hold it. And I can start pulling the clamps off. Do some more drilling. It's a number 30 drill. It's a few thousandths over 1/8 of an inch. If you use an 1/8 inch drill, pop rivets don't go in very nicely. You got to force them in. This gives a couple thousandths clearance, which is perfect. Standard aircraft stuff. Number 30 hole for 1/8 inch rivets.
Why are we just using some self-tappers?
I don't know. My aircraft training my whole life, I guess. Self-tappers are kind of crude. The number 30 bits, pretty easy to buy. They're everywhere. Aircraft supply places, McMaster Car, all those kind of places. I buy packs of them from McMaster Car. They're cheap. And I always get the 6-inch long drill bits, so you can fit down into places, but they're not like a 12-inch one's kind of expensive. 6-inch bits are reasonable. Get the split points. They last a long time. Buy packs of 6 usually, maybe 12. Okay, so we get the chips out from in between, because we don't want chips in there. Oop, more chips. Don't want chips between the layers. And then we'll line this back up. That'll hold it in place. These are steel pop rivets. Steel are good for about 200 pounds. 250 pounds. It's 250 pounds. Some brands like Pop Rivets, the Pop brand, I think are 295, but standard for steel rivets is 250. So 250 pounds each. Plenty. Use aluminum ones, they're 50 pounds each. And they're vibration, and eventually they'll break. These ones won't. Pneumatic riveter, easy on your hands, especially with steel rivets. Steel rivets, with one of these things, you hurt yourself. Pinch your hands in between, not fun. And I noticed steel rivets are available in hardware stores now. Used to be you had to order them, but if you want something strong, use the steel ones, not the aluminum ones. Get the clecos out of the way. There, it's attached. Job's done. Job's done.
No, I still have to attach it to the car.
Okay, this part of the job is done.